Hi guys, today this is my first video, of course, but we are working on our house and I'm going to take this flat stock. Champagne is the color that I want, and turn it into this profile. It's going to go up on our windows. Well, we've took over the wife's garage. Yes, she has a she shed. This is some of the awesome work she does. She's given the garage up so that we could get some work done on the house. So we have repainted it and put in a new fascia and soffit, as you can see up there. Now, those are the windows I've done on the upper floor, and this is the lower floor that still needs to be worked on. I got the old wood trim that we want to replace, some crappy asphalt shingling that was there a long time ago. The aluminum has really faded. It was white, and so we're changing it out so we don't have this crappy paint. Another window that I changed out and added. Now this is a different profile on this window, and there's the upper corner. Now I'm still having issues with these bottoms. I'm trying my best. They've got a angle to them right there. Oh, sorry, my camera work kind of sucks, but hopefully you can see there's like a little angle to them. You can see it better over here. Right there, and it's just being a real trick to try and get this worked out. We have another side of the house that's in process. We managed to pull some of the old boards down, which were really beat up and destroyed. But that toy right there, well, you're not gonna be able to see it good that way. It's a JLG put on the. This thing is an awesome, really awesome for getting work done around the house. Our neighbors, but so this is the side that we've been working on. Put the plastic wrap around the windows in order to prep for the paint job. And then, of course, there's sunlight popping in, so you'll never see that side. We had to put some, once we took down the old fascia and soffit, we found there was really no support for it. We added that in, and we'll go from there. Hopefully the rain stays off of us for a little bit longer and we can get a paint job done and go from there. We'll update later. Take care.
Did you staple the window?
No. Give me a second. I'm recording this.
What? How?
Yeah. The stand over there.
How can I?
That's just curious. Yeah. I don't know. I don't remember talking to anybody on the phone.
Something about windows.
Oh, I was recording. Today's my video day. I feel like a video chatter today. Video chatter.
Well, don't piss your wife off.
Listen, do not piss your wife off. This is your video reminder. Don't piss your wife off. Well, trying a little too hard here. Putting too much of an angle on these.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, give me a sec. Okay, I hope that helped. We'll see. I got a video edit this one, that's for sure.